how to fix Aternos failed to verify username. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is of course open the Aternos website, which is right here. And once you have opened it, you should be redirected right here. So what we're going to do is to of course choose the server wherein you're having trouble with. So let's say for example that this is the server wherein you're having trouble. So just click that server right there. And then you should be redirected right here in this page. Now, once you're here, what we're going to do next is to make sure that you turn off your server first in order for this to work. Now, click this stop button. And then once it is turned off, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the options server. So click the options, which is right here. And then on the server properties, this is where you can edit the server properties. So make sure that you've turned on this cracked option, which is right here. So make sure that you turn that on, and then let's refresh it again to make sure that it has been turned on. And then as you can see, it is already turned on. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go back here on the server. And then once you are now on the server, just start the server again and then join the world, and then that should be able to fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how to fix Aternos failed to verify username.